what had happened was I didn't have it set properly above the metal. So I just went over and reset it. So it's going to pull up here and it's going to stop. I'm going to have it cut one more time to finish cutting that out. So there we go. It's going to go around. And it's cut that out. Now I'm going to come down here. We're going to convert to a cut path. I'm going to do the mouth. Now this time, because I had the cursor inside, it's going to do the lead in on the inside. So I'm going to come up here and hit cut. Notice it's starting inside, and now it's going to do the outline of the mouth or the beak. Just like that. And then I'm going to convert to a cut path. That. And I'm going to right click, come up here and click on cut. And we're going to cut this out and just see if it'll do it. Let's go over and take a look. And it's probably going to stop in a second when it runs out of metal. Yep, it just did. But as you can see, there's our beak, there's our eye. It's still tracing it out. And we're going to go ahead and hit stop, manually stop, just like that. But as you can see, it was tracing it out just fine. So that is how you take a drawing, import it into the machine, and have it cut out. Now one last thing, I'm going to zoom out here, so I'm going to go up to view, whoops. We're going to X out of that. I'm going to go up here to view, I'm going to zoom out, and zoom out one more time. Notice how small that is on the actual size of the table. You can go into edit, you can pull down to scale, you can click on the drawing, and we can, well, there we go. We can make that larger, like that. We should be able to grab it, and we can go up here to edit, and we can move it like this. We can then go to view or edit, and we can rotate it. I'm going to grab him by the nose. Whoop. Try it again. Edit. Rotate. Grab him by the nose. There we go. Move him around. Now I'm going to grab him again and move him. Move. There we go. And you can move him around. So, I suggest that using these simple tips that I've given you, you come out and put a piece of metal in the machine and play with the machine, and you can experiment with what's going to work. I'm going to tell you, these videos are more information than I had when I got here. I had to do some research. I'm also going to be leaving, these are the only discs that are left out of all the discs that were bought for this. And these will be in the office. But feel free. So that's the Plasma Cam. And it's relatively simple once you get used to it. I'm going to go up here to File. I'm going to exit. I do not want to save the current drawing. I'm going to X out of all of that. Come down here to my window. I'm going to hit Power, and we're going to shut this little puppy down. And there we go. So, Plasma Cam, Part 2.